Alright everybody, this is a new video I'm doing. This is some of my stuff I got lined up for video I'm doing today. I'm going to do a quick rundown of some of the handguns that I have. Like this one, was the most recent one. This is the Gammo 430. It's a semi-automatic pellet gun. It shoots about 400 feet per second, I think, and it has this kind of magazine, one on each end. You know, I'm sure everybody's seen these. So put that back in there. This is the one I picked up as a spare. I actually use this thing for this is a, I think it's Umarex too. Yeah, it's a XCP Umarex. I use it to stuff it in one of my holsters to keep the holster. But it does shoot BBs. This one here, this one's pretty good. Shoots BBs and pellets. I think the BBs are more accurate than the pellets because it's a smooth barrel. Moving on to this one. This is my C11 Tactical, and I bought this a long time ago. And it had this barrel on here. If you see the end of that, that's the barrel that it came with. The suppressor I use on my Crossman DPMS, the Desert Edition, and I picked up my full automatic SBR. That one, but this one shoots about 450 feet per second, and this actual will embed BBs into wood. You don't, but. And then I got this one. This is the Crossman. Now this thing feels, it's all metal. Yeah, let's see if I can do this. Pop this out here. Now this one you can load BBs or pellets, and I believe this has got a twisted barrel. Looks like I need a couple of pellets in there. And what I've been shooting out of this are these right here. Now these things look like little bullets, but I'll load that in there. But these will come out like regular bullets, 357 size, I think this is the one. It's got pellet in it. But they do have different ones for these. Stick it in the end there, like so. This one's these one. One's short. I know what. Something in there. I think it has a piece of a pellet in here or something, I think. Now some of these you can use the BBs on, like here. This one with the I don't know if you see it, it's like a plastic tip. These you put the BBs in. But this one looks like it has something in it. I guess not. Now it's full. These. And you can actually lift it up using this, you know, like a regular gun. Alright, back to the other one. Now this is a Crosman P1 full auto with a laser. You can see the laser. Turn the laser on. Now this shoots BBs. It does not shoot pellets, and I believe it's smooth bore. But this is be full auto or single shot, and you know But I'm going to test this, the accuracy of these. This one, all these. And see which one's the most accurate of these handguns. Then you give the mark point, the Umrex mark point. It's a 1.717 pellet break barrel. I painted the end so you can see it. And this is really accurate. And I think this barrel's got to be, I don't know, I'd say the barrel's about 8 inches long. But out of a distance, I would imagine that the mark point is going to be the most accurate at distance, because it is a pellet shooter and it's a rifle barrel. But we shall see when I get out there and set this up to shoot my targets outside, because I have a setup in my backyard. So that's it for now. But these are the ones I'm going to be shooting, and we'll find out which one's the most accurate. Alright, so I put a piece of metal, so if it hits through the target, it'll just hit the metal and bounce down. So what I'm going to do is trying a different way to shoot these so y'all can see. I have my block here. Alright, we're going to start off with this one, and we're going to shoot to the left target. So I'm going to put this on fire. This looks like it's ready to go. I put it on the block here so it's stable. So I got BBs in there. Yeah, BBs are in there. One, two, three, four. Is it actually shooting anything? I don't know if it's even shooting. One, two, three, four. That one's probably the cross Umrex. That one here isn't that good. See, it's shooting over here, shooting high. going to move on to the next one. Just doing an accuracy test. So this one I don't usually use this much. I use this thing to put it in a holster to keep my holster, you know, formed to a gun. So the next one, I believe, I'm going to go with the C11. Now this gun is about 15 years old, and it's got the barrel is this long right here. It came that way. There was a barrel shroud that came over here that I used on my other gun. I have a Crossman TPMS SBR, and I used it on there, and then this one I made this little fake suppressor, but we're going to shoot this. This is probably more accurate. And this gun shoots at approximately 450 feet per second. One, two, three. Oop, that went high. Off to the right, left. Like misfiring for some reason. Alright, let's see where I hit. So you're pretty much all over here. You know, that's pretty much where it went. But I don't know why they're misfiring. It's like 90 out right now. It's pretty warm, so it shouldn't really be much of a factor. Okay, so the next gun, we're going to use this Gammo. I think this has pellets in it, so I'm not going to put it on fire. It is warm. I'm going to shoot on the right side. One, two, three, four, five. Those look pretty good, actually. That's on the right target. Yeah, it looks like we got them all right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the C11 wasn't as accurate. For some reason it was hesitating. So that was the Gammo 430. That was that uses pellets. Did I shoot these already? Shot that one already, I think. And we're going to load these with some pellets. These are BBs. Oh, wait a minute there. These bullets do the BBs, and these are the pellets. Now you can load the pellets this way. You load the pellets in the back end here, like so. Like so. Oops, upside down. Now the BBs you put in the tip of the round, the cartridge, but this one actually you use like cartridges like a bullet. I don't know. I'll be hiding. I don't walk in front of my target. Alright. Alright, now we're set. So I'll set the fire. Let me go on the right again. Oh man, sweaty. Alright. There's one. See if I can get bullseye here. Wait to the left. Alright, that's 6 bullets out of that one. See if I hit the red. Went all around it. It's sweating in my eyes. Now this one. This is the Mark Point. It shoots 17 caliber pellets. I believe this is the most accurate one I have right now. So we're going to see if I can hit the bullseye. I think I pulled on that one. Pulled to the left. I mean, I probably should put dots where they were all hit. Was that 3? Four? I think that's 4, I don't know. Alright, now we're gonna hopefully hit the bullseye. I don't know. Alright, here we go again. I'm going to take my collection and shoot at some other targets. We're seeing the accuracy. I'm going to shoot at these skulls I picked up from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. So you'll be able to tell when I hit them. kind of make them face me. Alright, there we go. That one's kind of laying in his head a little bit. Oh well. I'll start off with the mark point. See if this thing is loaded. Oh. Okay, that didn't want to go in. No problem with little 17 calibers. Pellets are damn small. Alright, let's see if I can hit the purple one over here. Oh, I hit the bar right behind it. Must have just missed it. Either one, I think it went below it, maybe above it. So, let's move it down. Ooh, I don't know where that one went. I think it had to have gone to the left. Ooh, I think it's must be hitting a little high. I should be able to hit this. It's only like 10 yards. Damn. I think it's going below. I should aim a little higher. See if I aim up higher. I'm not sure where it's hitting. Looks like it went to the right. Let's try for the blue one. I can't be dropping that fast. Has to be hitting directly underneath it. Damn. I can't see where it's hitting. I'm going to try aiming high. I'm aiming right at the head. See if I aim higher than the head. Let me go see if there's dents in the... I do believe I was hitting a pole here somewhere. Huh. Let's see if I can have better luck with this one here. Alright, we're gonna switch it up here. Ooh, it almost, first one hit it. There it is. That one hit it. Thing keeps blowing around. Oh. Okay, I got 2 hits on that. Now this is the Gammo 430. Shoot at the blue one. Oh, got hit out of that. Now we're going to go for the C11. Go with the gold one. Alright, that's done. Now we're going to go for the P1. Let's go to the gold. Let's put on single fire. One. Two. Alright, we're going to switch it to full auto, finish off the rest. Alright. As you can see, which ones are the most accurate. See if any got holes in them. Yeah, we got one. One had critical damage. There's one in the eyeball, one in the teeth, one in the chin. Ooh. And he had one got in there somewhere. You can hear it in there. There we go. Hit a hit right there. Okay, well, that was one. So some of them are accurate. I think some of them needs more air. That's the way it goes. And there you go. Hopefully I can edit, won't have to edit too much of this. But that's my BB and pellet gun, handgun. So in all, this one is, I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I mean, it's like there's a feeding issue, or I mean, it's got plenty of power, because some BBs have. This one's pretty accurate. The snub nose 357 Crossman. Now you can put pellets in this right there, or you can put BBs in the tip of this right here. You can't put them in here, because the air goes in here and then comes out the nose. But this one's pretty good. It's got plenty of power. I don't know. The camo, iffy. I have to try different pellets, but basically it's a smooth bore. So BBs I think work better, and this one I don't know what the heck I think it only likes these right here. So I'm gonna run a couple through here with these, because these are the ones I normally run on this, and these are really accurate, I think. So we're gonna try hitting the blue one. Yeah, see, I hit it. It's right on target. I mean, I think it actually went through the head. Let's go for the purple one. There. Yeah, see. I think it's the pellets. But you cannot put these in this gun. Well, I think you could put it in this gun, but you cannot put it in this this one, because it doesn't fit the magazine. So we're gonna shoot. See if I can get this gold one here real quick. No, I think I hit it. Try it one more time. But the mark point is a Pellet short-barreled rifle, pretty much. It's got rifle barrel. Oh, wow, I went right between them. Oh, going right to the left, about a half an inch to the left of the. So when I'm shooting him, I must be tipping my. Oh shit! I don't know if it's easier to just hold it without the help, or. Wow, it's just barely missing it. I don't know what happened there. Alright. There it goes. I think one of them went clean through. Yeah, it looks like it did. Alright, well that concludes today's shooting. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.